Hi, everybody. I'm Dave Weber. This is Omaha Everyday. My guest today is James Hartkorn, sales manager of Thrasher Foundation Repair. Congratulations on your 50th year in business at Thrasher.
Well, thanks, Dave. It's an honor to be here, and we are just honored also to be able to help the community around the Omaha-Lincoln area and surrounding area for 50 years now. It's been a great pleasure.
Can I say your mission at Thrasher is to prevent damage to your home, your yard, your sidewalk, your driveway from water damage?
Water damage is the number one culprit for most homes and causes a lot of issues. So yeah, what homeowners can do really to make sure that water is being dispersed around the property at an even pace is to either build up landscaping. That's one thing people like to try to get the water to shed away from the home. The gutters are very important. They're taking all the water off of the roof and then getting it away. So making sure the gutters are clear and clean. The downspouts extend far enough away from the backfill area of the soil, because when all that water gets down in around our house, it creates what we call hydrostatic pressure. And that pressure from the weight of the water leaning against your foundation walls can really start to cause issues like cracks and water intrusion into the basement. So it is very important.
We got about 20 seconds left. Call Thrasher if you have any questions about your home or the area around your home, and you guys will answer it for them.
Yeah, if you have a question, whether it's concrete, water issues, anything damaged around the house, we provide free comprehensive inspections. We'll do a full thorough inspection and let you know what you need and how we can help you.
Very cooperative and good business practices with Thrasher. Congratulations again on the 50 years.
Thanks, Dave. We appreciate it.
That's tremendous.
Thank you.
And call Thrasher if you have any questions about the area around you, outside of your house.
That's right.
Thank you. Thanks very much. That's Omaha Every Day. I'm Dave Weber. Thank you for watching.